Hello and welcome. This video is not endorsed by Tokyo Treat or any other company. Today I will show you the contents of the July 2020 premium box. Let us begin. First of all, we have this catalog. You get one in every box. And apart from the tips and all the other things inside, you will find this pretty useful snack menu, as I call it. It's a list with all the snacks that you will find in each box. The left part is about the premium snacks, and the rest of it is about the snacks that you will find in other boxes as well. Let's put it to the side and go on. The first snack is the Doritos Japanese cheese, if I'm correct, which is really nice, if I may say so. And we get some popcorn, and this is the do-it-yourself bubble tea matcha milk, and of course some Kagome Okinawan juice. This is exclusive to premium subscribers only. This is the corn pottage bites. It's available to everyone. And okay, this is, I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is, but it looks nice. Maybe it's the mystery treat, because it says here that, let me show this to you. It says here that there is also a mystery treat. Maybe this little package is the mystery treat. I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Then we've got the Kit Kat Citrus Mint, which is also exclusive for premium subscribers. I'm gonna put it over here. And okay, this is, I've had this one before. It's squid, Japanese squid cracker. Yeah, these are really nice. And Umaibo, I believe this is the one. It's also available to premium subscribers. It's probably something with lemon flavor. Yeah. And this is Poriki. Poriki corn. Yeah. Okay. This is available to everyone. Then we've got this Marukawa orange gums, available to every subscriber, be it premium or normal. Oh, okay. I just destroyed everything. And strawberry daifuku. Oh my god, I love this. This is I love daifuku, and this one is strawberry flavored, so yeah, I will definitely show it the love it needs. Then we've got the gamikis, which is a small treat or something in the shape of lips. Cool. Yeah, minty animals. This little thingy has the face of a pork. I wonder why they chose pork for me. Festival sign choco. Okay, looks nice. Rirakuma. I know these guys from some stickers from Facebook. Oh, this is exclusive to premium subscribers. Wow, nice. You can see here. So yeah, cool. And last but not least, we've got the Baskin Robbins whatever. Baskin Robbins Poppin' Shower Chocolate. Okay, that's really nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to try this. Cool. So these are the contents. I'm gonna put them on the table so you can look at everything. Baskin Robbins. Oh, okay. Shaky camera. Mystery treats. All the good stuff. Yeah, sorry about my hand. Okay, let's turn these two upside down. Ah, okay, and this one. And this one. The Umaibo thingy. And the Doritos. Okay. So these are all the contents you can get from the premium subscription box for July. Please forgive me for being an amateur unboxer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press like and subscribe. Take a look at the other videos that I usually make, the driving videos. And that's all. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves and have fun. Bye.